Good morning, everyone. It's December the 2nd and it's Vlogmas day 2.
Hold on, didn't get for the holidays, didn't get that pay raise. Gee whiz, a pocket dry Christmas. Gee whiz, a pocket dry Christmas.
Okay, so right now I already showered and now I'm going to prepare for work. See you when I'm all dressed. Bye. Leaving out for work. See you there. Good morning again. I'm now at work. Today is actually exam day, so I will be invigilating. So I will come back and show you a room tour, a visual arts room tour. I'm no longer working at the place I did before. So this is a new art room. So stay tuned for that new art room tour. Bye. Okay, so this is the new art room. It needs a bit of upgrade. Whenever I get the time, then I will do some upgrading. Alright, so I'm working on a banner. Now I'm on my way home, so I will see you guys there. Bye. Hi again, I'm back home and I just got the news that the internet provider came here at my house to check on the internet, so hopefully it's all up and running and I can post the videos daily now. So we'll see how that goes tomorrow. No, I did not get to give you the update on the banner I've been working on because the lights went out at the school. Tomorrow I will include it in that vlog. Right, so that is it for today. Thank you again for watching. I love you.